Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to withdraw SWEATCOIN to GCASH, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. The only issue is that you cannot directly transfer from Sweat money to GCash. What you need to do is use something called PayPal, which will act as an intermediate. So what you need to do is at first link your PayPal account to GCash. In order to do so, you need to head over to GCash and click on Cash In and then select PayPal and then log into your PayPal from there and it will be connected. And after that, what you're going to do is head over to SWEATCOIN and then click on like the conversion cash out section within the app and then look for the option where you can convert your SWEATCOIN earnings to PayPal cash. So from the what you're going to do is follow the instructions and you're gonna put in the SWEATCOIN that you want to convert and everything. And then once it's done, what you're going to do is that you're gonna head over to GCash and click on cash in and then select PayPal, and then the amount that you transferred from SWEATCOIN to PayPal, you're going to transfer the same amount into your GCash, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.